So there are some people whose phones normally tend to slow when browsing the internet. So esimu ezo zisumbuwa nnyo when browsing the internet. So ziba zitambula mpola something like that. But here's the solution for those phones. So kye tugenda okukola, it is just very simple. We are going to just adjust the system. So to adjustingamu just mu system neba nga etambula at a very high speed. It even improves the phone's performance. So the thing is just very simple. Aba balina eza 2G zigenda kuba zidduka as if they have the 3G phones. Aba 3G zigenda kuba zidduka as if they have the 4G phones. Then aba 4G ziba zidduka as if they have the 5G phones. Though in Uganda we don't have the 5G phones. Tetunaba introducing that generation. Though there are some countries already abakozesa such kind of phones, the 5G phones. So the thing is just very simple. Go to settings. When you go to settings, move down, you will see the word system. Tap on the system option. Here's the system. So you tap there. When you tap on the system, so you move down, you will see the about phone. Tap on the about phone option, it is down there. Tap on the about phone. So you move down, you will see the building number. So the building number is there. So kyogenda okukola ogenda kutapping on the building number 7 times. You tap there 7 times. Noting nti kino kigenda this one, these settings they are not going to harm your phone. Tezigenda gituusako any crackage or anything like that. So tap on the building number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see? Now, it is telling me to enter my PIN so that I accept it. So enter your PIN in case you have your PIN. So like that. The system has told me that I am already a developer, meaning that you are going to just adjust the system settings. So you go back. So when you go back, meaning the system has already created the developer options, because already kufude developer kufude nga nanyini wesimu, meaning that you can add just different settings, because these settings, their system or their defaults, meaning that they don't give you 100% ku simu yo okukola ki okwadjustinga the system settings. So go to developer options. When you tap on the developer options, so move down, you will see what we call the animation scales. You will see what we call the animation scales. So they are here. We have the window animation scale, we have the transition animation scale, we have the animated duration scale. So change them to 0.5 to 5. You change them to 5. No, sorry, not 5. You change them to 0.5. The animation scale, change them to 0.5. 0.5. So you move down. You will see what we call the background process limit. Also the background process limit, you put it to at most 4 processes. You tap there. So those are the only settings that we do use. Hope you can see. So you go back, you tap back, so you go to your desktop. So our settings have already been accepted. So you can trial and see whether your system is moving at a very high speed. So okudayolingamu, for example, let me dial star 100 hash, star 100 hash. Use Airtel. You see, it is moving at a high speed. Though my system is overloaded, that's why it tends to slow. Star 100 hash. So you see, yeah, it will be moving at a very high speed just because my phone is overloaded, but you can see the dialing speed. So etambula ku speed. So okukiraba nti your phone kati is moving at a very high speed. So you just load your data, then you browse the internet. You browse the internet, you will see the speed is moving at a very high speed. So those are the settings. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscription button if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel. Like the video, please share the video. Thank you.